Yeah, this right here is biochemistry. Hey, yo, Megan, speak to me. Yeah. Okay, well, guess where you can always find me? Spence 103, Wonder 150.
Yeah.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday, yeah, you know what's going down. Come through the double doors, guarantee you'll hear the sound.
What?
You're probably wondering where we get this energy. I'm telling you, we get it from ATP. And even though we getting loud, please don't hate, cause we turning glucose into pyruvate. And that's called glycolysis for your information. And it's not quite as good as beta oxidation, but it's still a big part in your body's chemistry.
Yeah.
That's why we call it, hey.
Biochemistry. It happens in your body. Gives you energy, run efficiently. It's biochemistry. It's biochemistry. It happens in your body. Gives you energy, run efficiently. It's biochemistry.
After you eat a lot of sugary sweets, gotta regulate what comes out of those treats. The sugar is glucose, even found in beets. If not regulated, you'll get diabetes. Through glycolysis is how we get by. Without this process, we'd probably die. This sugar is derived from carbohydrates. If you eat too much, you'll probably get the shakes.
It's biochemistry. It happens in your body.
That's right.
Gives you energy, run efficiently. It's biochemistry.
It's biochemistry, y'all.
It's biochemistry.
What we're talking about right now. All in your body.
Gives you energy, run
Double G, double R, representing Biochem right here. Yo,
Yeah, yeah.
that's right.
Biochemistry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's right, double R.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah.
double G, double R. We out. Peace.